Welcome to our quick guide on keeping your conversations private by managing app permissions. Today, we'll walk through how to prevent Pinterest from accessing your microphone on both iPhone and Android devices. Let's dive right in. Start by unlocking your phone and locating the Settings app. It's usually the gear-shaped icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap to open it. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you see Apps on Android or App Management on some devices. This section lists all the applications installed on your phone. Now, swipe through the app list or use the search bar at the top to find Pinterest. Once you've located it, tap the app name to open its settings. Here, you'll see details like storage usage, battery settings, and, most importantly, permissions. Select this option to view what Pinterest can currently access on your device. Under Permissions, you'll find categories like Location, Camera, and Microphone. Tap the microphone entry. You'll now see three options: Allow all the time, Ask every time, or Don't allow on Android, or a simple toggle switch on iPhone. To block access completely, choose Don't allow or toggle the switch to the off position. And that's it. Pinterest no longer has permission to use your microphone. This simple step ensures the app can't listen to your surroundings, even accidentally. Remember, you can always revisit these settings later if you change your mind. Just follow the same steps and adjust the permission as needed. While you're here, take a moment to review other app permissions too. Many apps request access to features they don't truly need, and limiting these can enhance your privacy. For example, social media platforms like Instagram or X, formerly Twitter, often have similar microphone permissions. Consider tightening those as well. Thanks for following along. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on taking control of your digital privacy. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.